Hi friends, good morning. This is Anmol. I hope you all are doing well. I welcome you everyone to my YouTube channel, Profitable Stock Trading with Chartink Scanner. Friends, the time is 9:15 and the market has just started and the date is 17th of November. So this is another session. Yesterday, we had two videos uploaded because one closed around 1 o'clock automatically. And let's see how the market performs, how it moves, and yeah, that's it. No stock as of now. We will be talking about during the day about the past stocks, the previous stocks, if any of the stocks are performing or not for the buying side and selling side, and that's it. So this is it for now. But yes, this is just a start of the market. Let's see how it goes. So I'll pause the video right now, and if there is any update or if there is any stock, I'll definitely resume. So friends, right now the time is 9:19 and there is a stock which is jumping in the scanner, which is SRT Finance. SRT Finance has just arrived at 9:19 and right now the price is 1288. It has made a high of 1290 and let's see how it performs. It is 20% away from 52-week high, and its 52-week high is 1609 rupees 80 paisa. This is the high, and let's see how it moves during the day. And friends, one more stock came in the sell side scanner, which is Lalpath Lab. Lalpath Lab is 9:19 is the time, and this is coming in sell side scanner. Let's check Lalpath Lab. Lalpath Lab has arrived in the second time, which means this is a constant, uh, it is constantly falling, and this came in the scanner on 9th of November. And let's check. So SRT Finance is now, it has come around 2484. Now the high is 98 rupees. That's what I can see in the other screen. This high would be changed. So let's check Lalpath Lab. So Lalpath Lab, let's open this. When did it come? On 9th of November at 9:55. On 9th of November 9:55. So this has already given us the profit. Hardly matters because of November from 2400 till 2314, approximately 100 rupees profit this stock has already given us, and after that it moved up. However, after touching the resistance line, it has started to fall again, and if it comes around 2340, 2320 zone, it should there should be a heavy selling once again, which will fresh sell which will start, and then it will come down to 2260, 70 odd levels. And SRT Finance has made a high of 1301 rupees. SRT Finance 1304. It is just zooming after coming in the scanner. Okay, so 1305 is the high which this stock has made. From 1236 until 1305 rupees. So 1306 SRT Finance. Lal Path Lab is also coming down 2407 rupees 95 paisa. So keep observing the screen. 1307 प्राइस हो गया इसका, 1308 हो गया. 1309. Wow, nice jump. Okay, so approximately 30 rupees from now, immediately, and I'm going to pause this. If there is any update, we will definitely talk about it. So friends, welcome back. Right now the time is 10:27 and the date is 17th of November 2022. And the stock which we talked about in the morning, SRT Finance, after giving us 30 rupees profit in the morning, one short, this has come down to 1273. And there are two stocks, Hind Copper and Lal Path Lab, which are in the sell side scanner. So Hind Copper is a repeated stock. If we check back Hind Copper came in the scanner two times. The first time when it came around 9/16th or 10th of November, it went up. Okay, let's check Hind Copper. Okay, Hind Copper. Hindustan Copper came in the scanner on 10th of November. Hind Copper, 10th of November, 9/16. Look at this. 10th of November it came at 9/16. Okay, and if you check back my video on 10th of November, in the morning itself, it came in the scanner and it made a low of 102. And you hear me saying on the same day that it is useless to talk about this stock because it made a straight fall because it was a earning, I guess. Look at this E, and then nothing happened the entire day, right? And after that it moved up. Why it moved up? Because it already was identified. See this in the comment. It was already identified on 7th of November at 310, which means before coming on 10th of November, it was under the bullish zone. On 7th of November it came, right? And this was just a result impact. And I mentioned that this is nothing to talk about because this is a result impact. This was a result impact on that particular day, and it continued its journey. So now this is a fresh sell. If this stock stays below 109, 108 zone, then this can retest the level of 100 rupees or maybe 101, 102 rupees. If it stays below 108, 109, then it can come down to 101, 102 rupees. So that is what it is. So this is a repeated stock, and similarly Lal Path Lab is again a repeated stock we talked about. So there is no new update so far. Let's see if that if something comes up. So let's pause the video. I'm trying to shorten the video. So let's go pause. So friends, welcome back. Right now the time is 1:40 and the date is 17th of November 2022. In the morning we talked about SRT Finance jumping up immediately after being identified in the scanner. And after that there was Naveen Fluorine stock and then PFC. Naveen Fluorine is not visible. It came around 10:08, and let's check what is the price for Naveen Fluorine. So it fell down immediately. Yes, as soon as it came in the scanner, it fell down. So let's check, is it a repeated stock? Naveen Fluorine, no, it's a new stock. So hopefully this will do the same thing which many of the stocks have been doing, right? It will take a pause here and then it will try to cover up until 4800 levels. So the first level would be 47. However, it has come down from this level. There is a long wick being created, but it should jump up. That is what I am expecting this stock to be. And apart from this, there is another stock which is PFC. So PFC is another stock which came around 1 o'clock, and then this stock also did not move. And if we talk about Lal Path Lab came around 2382. That was the low which this stock has made. Hind Copper made a low of 110. India Mart came around the same level and it made a low of 4500. Right now it is 4600 levels. So if we look back the market is very lethargic. It's been like 6-7 days. The market is not showing any momentum. Right, if we look at the chart of 15 minutes or 5 minutes, it's in a tight range, right? It is ready to give a blast, but where the blast would happen most of the times, this type of pattern will give you a blast on the upper range, right? So look at this, only 1800 from 1800 200 levels to 1800 450 levels. This stock, this market is in range since 11th of November, and today is 17th of November, right? And even prior to that, there was no movement, only 3 or 400 points range, right? So the market is lethargic. However, we should not blame market. If there is a stock in the scanner or in the strategy, the stock should perform, and these stocks will have to perform, right? That's what my expectation. And most of the times I am right. If I am right 80 or 90%, which means we are earning from the market. That is it. So let's see how the performance is going to be, and I'll pause the line, and then if there is any update we will definitely talk about. You have the alerts for buying side. Take a screenshot, pause the video, and then check the alerts, and then these are the sell side stocks. So go to the charts and check. I won't be able to do every day again and again, one by one, all the stocks. So if there is any major update, then we will definitely talk about it. So stay tuned, keep watching. So friends, welcome back. Right now the time is 3:31. Date is 17th of November, Thursday. The market is closed, and these are the trades for sell side, and these are the trades for buying side. And the market is really irritating. The market is really lethargic. Very low movement, very less trades are happening. That's what it looks like. There is no direction which market is trying to take. But yes, in the days to come, that's what I hope, that in the days to come the market should move up and should make new highs, and then we will see these stocks will move. And there is no momentum in the market so far, but yet Shriram Transport Finance gave us the return. Hind Copper gave us the return. Lal Path Lab gave us approximately 20-25 rupees, and so on. And you can take the screenshot, and then you can check on the charts and watch these stocks for the next few days, and also watch the stocks which have come in the scanner in the past. Watch those stocks, how those stocks are performing and how those stocks are reacting. So this is it, and we will see tomorrow how the market moves. And thank you so much for watching the video, and stay tuned, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.